Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the rear window motor on Hyundai Sonata. That will be the generation from 2006 to 2010 guys. Stay with us and let's go ahead and do that. Not very complicated procedure and hopefully we'll save you some money. Thank you for watching. Okay, next we'll need to remove a couple caps. We have a few caps that you'll be able to find screws underneath them. Okay. We have quite a few videos on that car guys, so check out the playlist. We have another playlist on World Mechanics, our second channel as well. Okay, now we need to get the Phillips screwdriver and we need to start removing those screws. Okay, one is out. We have this one over there. Okay, we need to remove the one here. And we should have on the bottom one towards the front there. Okay, next we need to get a prying tool. Okay, and there is a couple clips on the door panel. We'll show you where they are once we guys get it loose and remove it, so you know where to apply more pressure. Okay, now we need to remove that plastic piece here. We forgot about it. You need to open the handle to pull it out because the handle stays on the door. And you need to lift it straight up now. Okay, it's almost coming out. Okay, perfect. Next, all you have to do is just disconnect the wiring for the window switch. So you need to press in there and pull out. Okay, like that. Let's show you where the clips are quick. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips. So we removed the door panel. Now we can remove the window switch, the window motor there, excuse me. So with a T20, Torx 20, we need to remove 3 screws. You need to have one person holding the window good because it might slide down. And you need to just pull out the motor now. Okay, like that. You need to disconnect the wire there by pressing in on both sides and pulling it out. Okay, like that. And this is the window motor guys. That's how we remove it. You install it in reverse order. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.